Today I'd like to talk a little bit about blending paint and what I've learned over the years that can make your job a little easier. First of all, the first thing you want to do is get the paint code off of the specific vehicle you're working on and make sure that you have the right paint. The second thing is to come up with a plan. So the plan for this panel is I'm just going to color this. I'm going to concentrate on coloring this first. Then I'm going to blend, into here. But I want to leave this end this color. I don't want to blend my paint too far over here and then bang, it goes from my paint, my fresh paint, to the old paint. So I'm going to color this with my paint that I got, whoever mixed it or I got it from a store. I'm going to color that. I'm going to fool the eye a little bit, blend it out into here, maybe give it one shot, just one light shot to the end. Let that dry, come back and clear it, and the clear gives me the shine. The paint will give me the color and the blending, and the clear will give it the shine. So if you had a spot right here, you would color it, blend it out a little bit this way, a little bit this way, and it would be dry around the edges, but the clear would bring out the shine. So let me get some paint and I'll be right back. So to keep the cost down, we're just going to use some Duplicolor as our color, and then I'm going to come back with some good quality clear over the top of that. This is lacquer, so we'll be able to put enamel over the top of this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to contain this color on this end. So I'm going to sort of be aiming a little bit this way to keep it from coming too far this way. I don't want to go much further than this with my color, because if I get too close, you won't fool the eye. And we're going to leave that. That'll be our first coat. When that dries, I'll be back. Okay, this will be the second coat. Okay, this will be coat number 3. It does look a little dark, but we're going to go with it. And these are the things you run into when you're blending paint. So reds are difficult, but I think that the gray is making it look a little dark. So we're just going to give it another coat and see where it goes. Now see, as I keep going further out to cover, each time you spray each coat you're going to have a dry line. The next time you have to cover up that dry line. the next time you have to cover up that dry line. So it's forcing you to come further and further out. I think it matches a little bit better, so we're going to go with one more coat and then we'll call it. Okay, we're going to do one more coat and we're going to blend this color into this color and hopefully not put too much here so that when it matches up with the next panel, it'll all look one color. So we're just going to lightly blend it in. And I put the camera right here so you can see the whole panel. So I'll try to stay out of the way when I'm painting. Now I'm blending, trying to cover the whole panel a little bit. And I'm going to call that good. I'm going to wait for this to dry, then I'll be back to clear it. So after your color dries, the next step is to clear it. And I just use Shop Clear by Autobody Master. It's $42 for a gallon and $17 for the hardener. So I started with a light coat, just a tack coat to get the clear to stick. Then the next coat was medium to heavy, and the final coat of clear was heavy. Again, the idea of color matching or blending is to get a gradual transition from your new paint to the old paint to sort of fool the eye. After you achieve that, then you clear the whole panel to get the shine. So I hope you enjoyed this video on color matching and blending paint. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to get my latest videos.